Asana account login. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to sign in or log in into Asana account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Make sure you have downloaded the Asana app from the Play Store or App Store. If not, you can easily do so. So launch Play Store or App Store and using the search icon, you can easily search Asana. And here is the official app. You need to tap install and download the application. Now tap to open and launch the app. On the homepage, you will see options for sign up or login. Tap on login button. Now choose any of the web browser. Now you can easily continue with Google or you can enter your email address and tap on continue button. Make sure you enter the correct email address from which you have created your account earlier. So once you tap on continue with email, you need to verify your email address. Close the application and open your email inbox and look for an email from Asana. Open email and tap click to login, and by following the prompts, you need to easily log in into your Asana account. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.